Hi guys, a very good morning to all of you, and I hope you all are safe. Maybe excited for my class, so I'm here to teach you SST Standard 2 Chapter 20, and the chapter name is Directions. So, direction is what? It is the place that we can, it is the name that we can find out the any way. Before starting the chapter, I request all of you to please stay at home and enjoy your quality time with your family members. You can enjoy like playing the ludos, carom, video games. In fact, you can complete your homework which you received on online classes. Please complete the all homework in your SST copy. Please use the dark pencil, write in legible handwriting and good handwriting. And please complete it because you have a lots of time. So please use the time. So whenever the school will open, if I will ask the homework to you, all the homework, you have to show me all the homework anyhow. Because right now you have a lots of time. So please use the time. Don't waste the time. You just learn that how we can save the time. So you have a lots of time right now. Please complete all the homework, all the pending work. If you have not completed chapter 20 till chapter 19, then please complete it in your fair copy. Please go through the website, check your homework and then complete it. I hope you guys had completed your healthy and delicious breakfast. Eat healthy, stay happy at home. Please eat healthy whenever you are going to eat your meals. Wash your hand properly so that the germs will not present inside your body and you will be safe from the COVID-19. Because of these virus, it's a very dangerous virus. Nowadays it's increasing, so please protect yourselves. Because of these virus we can die also, so that's why please wash your hand properly whenever you are going to eat your meals. Eat healthy, spend the time with your family members. You can read the book also, you can complete your all homework also. And if you don't have the book, then please purchase it as soon as possible. So again, it's a short chapter. Then again in this chapter the exercises I will give you so that you can write down the exercise in your fair copy. So please continue on online classes. Please attend your all online class and the homework also which you received on online classes. So let's start the chapter, and once the online class will over, please go through the chapter and read the chapter also so that your reading skill will improve. So I'm going to read the chapter, so you also read with me. Now here is what about the directions. So especially direction, you know that the left, right, then left, right, ups and down, it's like a directions. So that the more directions, that what the main directions are there, that we will see in the next in this chapter. So please see, so I am reading, you also read with me. When we want to find out where a place is, we talk about how far it is and on what side it is. Suppose you have one place and you have to reach that place on time and you don't know that place. Then how you will reach that place? So like suppose you have to reach the hospitals and you don't know the area and don't know the place that where is the hospitals. So then how you will reach that hospital on time? Maybe you will ask with the persons, you will talk, or you will ask that what side where it is and how far it is. Then you can interact with others and you can ask that where is that hospital, the hospital's name where you have to reach. Then you will ask the people of that areas that where is that hospital. Then the other person will instruct you, yes, if you can go left, then behind, then you can go forward straight, then again you can turn the left, then that's the hospitals where you want to reach. So he just tell you the directions orally, that yes you can go, then he can tell you also that how far it is and that what the site that hospitals. So we can it's like orally we can ask. So these all are our directions. If he will give us the directions, instructions, that yes and we have to follow that, then we can reach the hospitals. So for that we have to follow the directions. If he say the first go straight, then turn left, then again straight, then right, then there that hospital is there. So he just instruct us with the help of direction. So direction is very important. It can help us to find out the place that where we want to reach. So direction is what it helps us. Directions is what the place of a things, the position of a place or things, and it can help us to reach the place where we want. Now we may say that the place is on the right or left or up or down. These all are directions. Exactly, because the person, if you have, it is the person to whom you have asked that the hospital direction, and he instructed you about the directions, that you should go right, left, then ups and down like that. So you think that that's are the directions. So the places is on the right or left, the right or the left, the up and the down, right, left, up and down. So these all are the directions. These all are the directions. Right, left, up and down. These all are the 4 directions. They tell us the position of a place or things. The direction is what? It can tell us the positions of a place. If we can follow that directions where who the person has tell us that the direction to reach the hospitals, and if we can follow that direction, the right, left, up and down, then they can tell us the position, exactly positions of a place or things that where we have to reach on time. So they tell us the position of a place or things. Now did you know is there? Then we can see that what is written in did you know. A wind vane is a metal object. You can see the picture of wind vane. It is made with a metal, that's why it is called the metal object, on the roof. On the top means our house, on the roof of a building, which shows the direction in wind which the wind is blowing. So the wind vane is what? It is a metal object, and these we can especially we can find these on the roof of a building, which that tells us which shows the directions in which the wind is blowing, the right, left, where the wind is blowing. So it shows the direction. You can see that the north, east, west, south is also written, so that if where the wind is blowing which directions, then that area it can turns, and we can understand yes in that area the wind is blowing. So it is the helps that it helps us to find out the wind's direction, that in which directions the wind is blowing. Next, we can also give directions their proper names. Exactly, now before we know that the directions name or the right, left, up and down, but in these 4 names we can give that proper names. It helps us when we will go in higher class to learn about the maps and these everything. Then only these directions will help you, not up, right, left, down, not these directions, but it can help these directions. It can help us the proper names that are north, south, east and west. Please underline it from we, like we can also give directions. We can also give directions their proper names. Proper means their exactly names. Proper names that are north, south, east and west. North, south, east and west. So the direction, their proper name is what? The north, south, east and west. So these all the four main direction, it's a proper names, and it can help you when you will go in the higher class to learn about the directions. Not the right, left, up and down. The direction will not help you. This is the proper name directions, the north, south, east, west. It will help you. So please guys watch the next videos for the more information. Till that, thank you. Take care of yourself. Have a nice day. Bye bye.